Ang cravings na pud nato for this particular weekend kay Pares, and this time nanapod ko'y bagong recommendation para sa inyo ha. This is Kumpares. Hello again guys. So kami sa kong family ni adto diri sa Kumpares located at Matina Aplaya, Davao City. And atbang lang gid siya sa Lots for Less Matina Aplaya. Simple lang gid kayo ang iyahang pwesto guys. Wala siya aircon pero na electric fan. In fairness, based sa ilahang menu, they actually have a lot of food offerings. And this is their menu up close. So makita gyud ninyo na medyo daghan-daghan po gyud sila offer na food. So for this day, we ordered leche flan for dessert. Wow, nauna ang dessert ha. Crispy pork binagoongan. We also got the classic pares and also their pares mami regular. And this is what our orders look up close. So this is pares mami regular. This is the classic pares and naan siya apple rice, and this is what it looks like up close. We also got leche flan for dessert. And in fairness sa itsura, murag yummy na gid siya. This is my order. I got myself a crispy pork binagoongan, and in fairness, dako upod ba siya for 99 pesos. Karon testingan na pud nako ang among gipang order. So first on the list kay ang classic pares, and in fairness, lami kaayo ang iyahang templada guys ha. And look at that, na timingan mi na daghan kayong meat. Karon testingan na pud nato ang crispy pork binagoongan. So ayan, when I tried it, okay lang siya. It wasn't life-changing, but it was good. It did not disappoint man pod. The pares mami was the surprise of the day kay astang lamian niya guys. As in, kung ako personally, I became a fan instantly. It was so good. Sa tanan na mong gi-order kani, ako ang pinakagusto. Karon guys, mag-overall rating ta. Food was an 8 out of 10. Places 7 out of 10. Kinaglisod lang jud mig park. Pero kung matimingan ka makapark sa kilid-kilid, then that's okay. So kato lang guys. Thanks for watching. Bye!